Welcome students. This is third part of important MCQs of environmental studies. Question number 38 is water having DO content, that is dissolved oxygen content, below 4.0 milligram per liter is considered to be highly polluted. Question number 39 is the wastewater coming from bathroom and kitchen which does not have foul smell, it is known as sewage. Then question number 40 is man-made pollution such as industrial pollution, etc. It's called as anthropogenic. Then lead enters the atmosphere as a particulate pollutant. This is problem because causes central nervous system malfunction in humans. Question number 42. Water Pollution Says Act came in existence in 1977. Next is the permissible limit on concentration of ammonia in an ambient for industrial area is 100 microgram per cubic meter. Then next is the main objective of Air Pollution Act is all three, that is to provide the prevention and control and abatement of air pollution, to provide an establishment of central and state board with a view to implement the act, then to confer the board of the power to implement the provision of act and assign the board's function relating to pollution. Question number 45 is the presence of high coli in water indicates contamination of human waste. Question number 46 is nutrient cycle plays an important role in linking together biotic and abiotic components. Question number 47 is an increase in carbon dioxide content in atmosphere would not cause increase in photosynthesis in plants. Question number 48 in airborne organic materials such as spores, pollen, bacteria, fungi cause several diseases and allergic reactions called hay fever. Then, which of the following is not a marine pollution, that is dissolved oxygen? Then, the most favorable method of soil waste management is reuse. Then, AQI stands for what? That is Air Quality Index. Question number 52 is Air Prevention and Control of Air Pollution Act came in existence in 1981. Biomedical waste include using syringe, bandages and tissues. That is all. Question number 54 is which of the following is not characteristic of slums? That is generation of deviant behavior. Question number 55 is Narmada Bachao Andolan is related to Sardar Sarovar. Question number 56 is the unit of sound loudness is never or level is decibel. Then question number 57 is Nalgonda technique is used to remove excess of fluorides from water. Question number 58 is US Southern corn leaf blight epidemic is an agricultural disaster of 1970. Which of the following contribute as major cause for it? It is monoculture. Question number 59 is dash is secondary pollutant, that is smog. Then last unit, that is social issues and environmental education. Which of the following statement is true? In an anthroposystem, the flow of material from producer directly through the recycler is major proportion. Then which of the following is or are not an objective of sustainable development? That is to continue to implement the family planning program. Then next is how many methods of rainwater harvesting are there? There are two methods. Then what is sustainable development? All these three. The development that meets the needs of present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. Then second is to conserve natural resources and to develop alternate resources while reducing pollution and harm to environment. And it is practice of developing land construction project in a manner that reduce their impact on environment. Then question number 5 is for better human health application of IT is needed, that is bioinformatics, genome sequencing and biotechnology. Question number 6 is responsibility of CPCB includes abatement and control of pollution in the country by generating relevant data, providing scientific information, retaining uh, technical inputs of information of national policies. The question number 7 is the development that meets the need of the present generation without compromising the life quality of future, that is sustainable development. Then which of the following is function of central board, that is for all three? Coordinate the activities of state board and resolve disputes among them, then plan and organize training of person engaged in program on the prevention control board, then disseminate information in respect of matters relating to water and air pollution. Question number 9 is rapid growth of population at present time is due to lack of awareness among people to check birth rate. Question number 10 is which of the following is benefit of rainwater harvesting, that is flood mitigation. Green revolution is resulted in increased food production, research on seeds to improve its quality, and scientific cultivation. Sustainable development means meeting present need without compromising on future, then progress in human well-being and balance between human needs and its ability of earth to provide the resources. Then question number 13 is the concept of sustainable development encourages growth to meet current needs, preservation of the needs of future, and change in all respect of life. Which of the following statement is true? Water percolating downwards through agriculture land carries with it dissolved chemicals and contaminate groundwater. Question number 15 is watershed protection and land erosion can be achieved through growing forest. The next is which of the following is function of state pollution control board? All first three are the function of state pollution control board. 17th question is which what is the concept which emphasizes that an environment can support number of individuals for a prolonged period of time, that is carrying capacity. Question number 18 is which of the following is the best explain sustainable society meet the need and aspirations of the present without compromising those of the future. Question number 19 is what does the case of Andaman Nicobar Island tell us? That is massive deforestation through extraction of timber, opening forest through road building, and population pressure and problem of indigenous people. Question number 20 is what is the word Chipko became famous for? It is the name of people movement to save forest in the Himalayas. Then which of the following statement is not true with regard to fossil fuel? Fossil fuel continue to be formed at a rapid pace. The question number 22 is when does an environmental policy achieve positive result? When policy addresses international issues. Question number 23 is Indian state benefited by Ken Betwal link project are Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. Then common treatment method for watershed deterioration are excavation of trenches across the slope to break the velocity of runoff. Then stones are dry pack across the hill slope to intercept the surface runoff and conversion of slopes into level step field. Then punishment of industry polluting environment come under Energy Conservation Act 2001. If someone notice polluted water coming from industry in Maharashtra, he or she can approach MPCB. Which of the following is not viable protection against deforestation, that is privatization of forest land? Then to protect and improve natural environment including forest, lake, river, wildlife and to have compensation for living creature, this statement is belong to article 51A. Last is environmental impact assessment should be made compulsory for starting a developmental